Hi everyone, just a quick update. FreeCAD 1.01 is out now. This is a maintenance release, which means there's no major new features, but numerous important bug fixes, polish and stability improvements. I've gone through the full changelog and it's quite sizable. And I took some time to organize and categorize everything and then add simple, non-technical explanations under each point so you don't have to be a developer to understand what the change is. There's UI improvements. There's been some draft and BIM updates, a bunch of fixes and quality of life tweaks for architecture and 2D design workflows. There are some CAM and tech draw updates, so better toolpath outputs, drawing improvements, and SVG handling. There's been some tweaks to the file format support, improved compatibility with FreeMF files, and better Unicode handling on Windows. Also core stability fixes. Lots of under the hood improvements that make FreeCAD crash less and behave more predictable. I've bundled all these together in a free post on my Patreon page. This is a free post to everybody. It's not behind a paywall. So you can go there and look at those right now. I appreciate if there's any developer or contributor that spots anything out of the ordinary that's missing, inaccurate, or could be improved, to please let me know. I'm more than happy to update the document to keep it as accurate and useful as possible. I left a link to the post in the description of the video and in the video itself. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this release of FreeCAD.